all-purpose cleaner. A versatile cleaner for various surfaces. Ammonia. A chemical used in many cleaning products, especially for glass. Antibacterial spray. A spray that kills bacteria on surfaces. Baking soda. A natural cleaner used for deodorizing and scrubbing. Bleach. A strong disinfectant that whitens and removes stains. Broom. A tool for sweeping floors. Bucket. A container for holding water or cleaning solutions. Carpet cleaner. A product designed to clean carpets. Cleaning cloth. A cloth used for wiping surfaces. Disinfectant. A cloth used for wiping surfaces. Dish soap. A liquid soap used for washing dishes. Dust mop. A mop designed to pick up dust from floors. Duster. A tool for removing dust from surfaces. Fabric softener. A liquid used in laundry to soften clothes. Feather duster. A cleaning tool with feathers to remove dust. Furniture polish. A product that shines and protects furniture. Glass cleaner. A liquid cleaner specifically for glass surfaces. Gloves. Protective gear worn while cleaning. Hand sanitizer. A gel or liquid used to kill germs on hands. Laundry detergent. A soap specifically for washing clothes. Lint roller. A tool for removing lint and small particles from fabric. Mop. A tool for cleaning floors with water or cleaning solution. Oven cleaner. A strong cleaner used for removing grease and grime from ovens. Paper towels? Disposable towels used for cleaning and drying. Polishing cloth. A soft cloth used for polishing surfaces. Rubber gloves. Durable gloves worn during cleaning to protect hands. Sanitizer. A product that reduces bacteria on surfaces. Scrub brush. A brush used for scrubbing surfaces. Scouring pad. A rough pad used for scrubbing tough stains. Sponge. A porous material used for absorbing liquids and cleaning. Spray bottle. A bottle that sprays liquid used for applying cleaning solutions. Squeegee. A tool with a rubber blade for wiping water from windows. Stain remover. A product that removes stains from fabric. Steel wool. A rough material used for scrubbing tough surfaces. Toilet brush. A brush used for cleaning the inside of a toilet. Toilet cleaner. A cleaner designed specifically for toilets. Trash bag. A bag used for collecting garbage. Trash can. A container for holding trash. Vacuum cleaner. A device that sucks up dirt and debris from floors. Vinegar. A natural cleaner often used in combination with baking soda. Washing machine. An appliance used for cleaning clothes. Wet wipes. Pre-moistened cloths used for quick cleaning. Wood polish. A product specifically for cleaning windows. Wood polish. A product that shines and protects wood surfaces. Bleach wipes. Pre-moistened wipes with bleach for disinfecting surfaces. Floor cleaner. A product designed to clean floors. Dishwasher detergent. A detergent used in dishwashers. Stovetop cleaner. A cleaner specifically for stovetops. Grout cleaner. A cleaner for the grout between tiles. Lysol. A brand of disinfectant products. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.